Radical Tarot, Breaking All the Rules. This was a fun book to write. The chapters are preface, a day at the fair, then an introduction. Then chapter 1, tarot card readings are a creative thinking technique. I go into explaining that with maybe different words than my other books, but just to show you a different insight of it. Chapter 2, conceptual blending in tarot cards. Chapter 3, the importance of randomness. A deck of cards is randomness thrown into positions of a card spread. Chapter 4, finding meaning in the cards. Chapter 5, working a card spread. Chapter 6, other fancy stuff. And chapter 7, conversations with the cards. I have more conversations with the cards. Last chapter is like Essential Tarot and Genius of the Tarot. More of the major arcana, come and visit me. All of them are different from the other books. What I've done here with the card meanings, well, what I did here with this, it was just fun to do. I put pictures in here to help with make it fun. Here's, just at the end of an introduction, and then with the just hokey looking pictures in there. So each chapter has something there like that. And it was a fun book to write. Well, what I did with this book is I took the major arcana, the minor arcana, and I combined the suits. So all the sixes are shown on one meaning here. One side you have a traditional meaning, and over here you have a mapped out of 10 words around the cards that will work for any of the 6 or the 4 sixes here. Next we go into the 7s, or here we have the 8s, I think. Yeah, 10s. I just pull another page. And you can see I've done the same thing here. Traditional over here. Keyword at the top over here. And then over here we have 10 random words surrounding one of the 10s. And they're all done that way. Each card is a 2-page spread. The card spreads, I have the horseshoe spread, details about the horseshoe spread, scamper spread, which is a creative thinking technique, scamper, but I made it a card spread because they are exactly the same. The rings of Saturn, a spread I came up with that you might like. Sample of how it works. Sun Tzu's Gate. These are just spreads that I came up with. You might like them. And then the Celtic Cross. I cut the Celtic Cross in all my books. And a traditional horseshoe spread. I have a number of different spreads in here and how to do them. There's pages in there about how to do the spread. And then I have how to create your own spread over here. We're going to that. What is a tarot card reading? And I even put an old spread from the 1960s down in here that you would never want to use. We come a long way. Other fancy stuff. This is just some thoughts of mine. And then the last chapter is conversations with the cards. Again, the major arcanas come and visit me. We have the Emperor, the Hangman, the Hermit, the Sun, the Lovers, and that's that. Oh no, and then Temperance. And that's the book. Fun book to read. It was a fun book to write. Thanks for watching.